What do you think of KitchenAid versus Bosch refrigerators?
KitchenAid fridges were top of the line. Now they are a decent brand when compared to Samsung and Whirlpool.
I've heard of Samsung fridges conking out after just a few months. What breaks most on a KitchenAid?
KitchenAid dispenser handles sometimes break. And we haven't even started talking about its guts.
How is customer service about problems like this?
KitchenAid repair techs take several trips to fix a problem. Bosch techs say it takes weeks to get the part from Germany.
I'm surprised this didn't come up in the Consumer Reports reviews I read.
Consumer Reports does functional tests to see how it does immediately. They don't follow up on the defects and repair rates of older appliances the way they do cars.
What do you think of Bosch fridges, aside from disdain for their price?
Given all that German engineering, I'm surprised they haven't figured out humidity control. The things often desiccate your food.
It is better than some fridges that sweat or even leave enough water in the vegetable drawer to make soup.
Another problem is Bosch's control board, which often malfunctions. You have to unplug it and plug it back in to restart it.
I never thought I'd need to reboot my fridge.
I never thought we'd see fridges smart enough to need rebooting. Next thing you know, it'll get a virus.
We've already dealt with Norwalk virus and other types of food poisoning. I don't want to know what happens if the smart appliance gets a virus.
The worst it could do is turn off the fridge, and the food's still there.
Unlike computer viruses, which can delete all your files.
Get a KitchenAid fridge. Less goes wrong with it, despite the lower cost of the unit.
In this case, less actually is more. Or, rather, better.